Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out Motorola's newest budget powerhouse, the Moto G Power 2026, a phone built for crazy battery life, solid daily performance, and real-world value. Let's dive in. This is Motorola's latest Moto G Power for 2026, officially launching on January 8, 2026, with an MSRP of $300 in the United States. That puts it right in the sweet spot for value-focused buyers, display and design. First up, the phone features a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, better gaming feel, and more responsive touch overall. Brightness can reach up to 1000 nits, making it much easier to see outdoors. Durability is another highlight here. The phone meets military-grade durability standards, includes IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, and uses Gorilla Glass 7i on the front. This is a phone designed to survive everyday life, battery, and performance. Battery life is where this phone really shines. You get a 5200 mAh battery, which Motorola says can last up to 2 full days on a single charge. When you do need to recharge, Turbo Power 30-watt fast charging helps you power up quickly. Inside, the phone runs on a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. Motorola's RAM Boost feature also uses storage to improve multitasking. It ships with Android 16 right out of the box, cameras and features. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, along with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Around front, you get a 32-megapixel selfie camera, great for video calls, photos, and content creation. You also get stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a headphone jack, NFC for tap to pay, and full 5G connectivity, why it matters. If you want strong battery life, a smooth display, and reliable performance without paying flagship prices, the Moto G Power 2026 delivers. It costs more than entry-level prepaid phones, but you are getting better durability, longer battery life, and a more polished overall experience. Outro. That's it for the Moto G Power 2026. If this video helped you out, hit like, leave a comment on what phone you want covered next, and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next one.